Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mack Truck. If you're in the market for a heavy-duty workhorse, this could be your next investment. Let's break it down. Truck details. The 2025 Mack Truck is a powerhouse in the commercial vehicle world. With a focus on durability and performance, this truck comes equipped with a robust MP8 engine, offering up to 505 horsepower. It's designed for the toughest jobs, whether you're hauling freight cross-country or navigating tough terrains. Exterior. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Mack Truck maintains that classic, bold Mack look. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, making a statement on the road. The body design is sleek yet functional, with enhanced aerodynamics for improved fuel efficiency. Plus, the LED lighting system adds a modern touch to its rugged appeal. Interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how the interior balances practicality and comfort. The cab features premium materials, intuitive controls, and ample space. The dashboard is user-friendly, with a high-tech digital display to keep you informed on the road. Plus, the high-quality seats are designed for long hauls, with plenty of legroom and ergonomic support. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Mack doesn't disappoint. The cabin is quieter than ever, thanks to upgraded insulation and noise-dampening technology. The air suspension seats make long drives less taxing, and the climate control system ensures you stay comfortable no matter the weather outside. Performance. Under the hood, this truck is an absolute beast. With enhanced torque and a refined transmission system, it handles steep climbs and heavy loads with ease. Fuel efficiency has been improved too, so you'll get more miles per gallon. And whether you're on highways or rough backroads, the 2025 Mack provides a smooth, stable ride. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the 2025 Mack Truck is built for performance and comfort. Whether you're handling a big delivery or taking on tough terrains, this truck has everything you need to get the job done efficiently and in style. If you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty work truck, the 2025 Mack is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck reviews. Catch you in the next one.